back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, I'm Shawna. If you like me, my other videos, or this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoyed this. In today's video, I thought I'd show you guys this easy 10-minute makeup tutorial, and this is something that I'd use like either every day or when I'm going to class. I have basically been using this technique while getting ready for my classes in high school and in college because it's super easy, it's pretty quick. This is like something if you're like on the go, gotta get out the door type of thing. I know some people are remote learning right now, but I do know that some people are going back to class, especially high school, middle school students, and even some college campuses are opening back up again. Mine is open again, and I have one in-person class this semester and the rest are online, but that means I gotta go in person. I think my professor actually said that he's gonna make the first week online just in case, which thank God, because not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous to go back to class because of coronavirus, but I hope you guys are all happy, healthy, staying safe during this time, and let's get on to this very affordable makeup tutorial. Okay, so I just put my hair up in a bun and I push it back with a headband, and I got in a little bit closer so you guys can see a little bit better of like how I'm applying things and like how it looks. So the first thing I'm gonna do is like this skincare step that I do before I apply my makeup, and that's basically moisturizer and sunscreen. This CeraVe facial moisturizer is the best because it comes with SPF 30 in it, and that's great because it's basically like one step. And I'm just gonna do like one pump of this and apply it all over the face to give my face some moisture and protect it from the sun. And you want to bring it down to your neck as well. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at a mirror, that's why. And then I always get really chapped lips, and this Vaseline lip therapy is like amazing. It does such a great job at moisturizing my lips and keeps it moisturized. So I'm gonna apply this. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my brows. I don't know why, but I like to do my brows first. I feel like it really shapes my face. And I'm gonna go in with the Miss A AOA brow pencil. I really like this because it has a spoolie at one end of it, so you can brush your eyebrows hair up and like kind of blend in the product as well. And I am basically out of this, as you can see, but I'm basically just gonna line under my brow and like fill it in just a tiny bit. I need to get another one of these because I'm basically out, but right now I'm just blending in the product. I really like this brow pencil because it's so pigmented, but like really affordable. I think this one was like $1. I think Shop Miss A has like $1 everything, and then some things are like a couple of dollars. And some of their stuff is like really good quality, like this brow pencil as well as their brow gel. So up next I'm gonna go in with primer, and I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is like an exact dupe to the Tatcha Luminous Silk. I really like this, and I've tried the Tatcha one and I really like that too. I kind of like the e.l.f. one more because they have like this they have like the matte one, the luminous one, and the original one, and I feel like that takes into account like a lot of people's skin types. Which is really nice. Okay, so my order of putting on makeup is a little bit weird and different for some people. This kind of has to do with some of the products that I use, and one of these products that I use is the LA Girl Pro Conceal color corrector. I think this is in the color Peach. It's called the Peach Corrector. And after I got my nose done, I noticed some darkness right here, so I'm gonna apply some of it right in that corner like so. Kind of bring it down a little bit so like that hollow look disappears, and I'm gonna kind of let it sit there for a second. I've noticed when I let it sit there, it like kind of becomes a little bit more full coverage than it actually is. I'm gonna go in with my cream blush. This is by Glossier, and this is the Cloud Paint in the color Beam. I think this is $12, so it's a little bit on like a pricier side. $12 might be out of your budget for a cream blush, but I'm not entirely sure about that. But I am going to put some of this on the back of my hand, just like the tiniest amount, because a little bit of this goes such a long way. But I'm gonna apply this right on my cheeks. I'm just gonna go in with a little stippling brush from e.l.f. and kind of just blend it out a little bit more. I feel like I look so weird right now, but guys, it's a process. Just trust me. Okay, so next I'm gonna actually go in with my ColourPop concealer in the shade, let's see, what is this, light 10, and I'm gonna spot conceal my face. I don't really use foundation. I usually just spot conceal. I feel like it's like the most natural looking on me, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and spot conceal some of the areas. So the reason I put the cream blush on first is because what I've noticed is that when I put the concealer on to spot conceal, and then I do the cream blush and I blend it out with like either a finger or a brush, it moves the concealer around, and then I have to go back in and cover it anyways. So I thought, like, why not just try and do the cream blush first and then do the spot concealing and see if it works a little bit better. And if I see any like white spots, I'll just go back in with the brush and a little bit of product that I still have on my hand and just blend it all out. Okay, next with a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to blend out the concealer that we put under our eyes. Next for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser concealer in the color Warm Light. I love this concealer because it's so natural looking in my opinion and kind of easy to put on. Taking this damp beauty sponge again, I'm going to blend out all the concealer. Now to set my face, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. I think this is pretty affordable, like $10 if I remember correctly. So I do want to set my cream blush in the other parts of my face where I put concealer. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this and go into the powder like so, and just kind of dab it all over my face. So next step, I go in with my bronzer, and this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I think it's in the color, oh, it just says bronzer. I know they came out with other shades recently, so that's really good. I'm going to take this big brush and I'm going to go into the product and I'm going to apply it everywhere, like on the contours of my face really, and kind of bring it down my neck to blend it out. Now this next step you don't really have to do, but I like to do it, and it's highlighter. This is from e.l.f. This is the Shimmer Highlight Powder in the color Starlight Glow. And I'm going to take this Morphe highlighting brush and I'm going to go on the high points of my face basically. You see that? Ooh, okay. But for the nose, I actually like taking a smaller brush. It looks like that. It's really dirty, so sorry about that. I'm going to take some of it and go in my inner corner. Then I'm going to take it under the brow, my cupid's bow, and then for my nose I'm going to go back in, but I'm going to concentrate the highlight a little bit, like right there, and then just a little bit on the bridge of my nose, kind of like that, and I'm going to stop like right there. I'm not going to bring it all the way down. Next I'm going to go in with this Morphe Clear Brow Setting Gel. Now I'm going to go on with the lips, and I'm going to take this NYX lip pencil in the color Nutmeg. This is my favorite lip pencil. It's such a nice like kind of contouring color, and I just like really like this. So I personally like to wear lip gloss. Even at school, like I don't really mind. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. Jelly Pop lip gloss in the color... oh, Cherry Pop. And then with my finger, I'm going to blend the lip pencil and the gloss together. So I forgot to mention, I actually have two products that are a little bit more on the expensive side. One of them is this makeup setting spray. It's by Urban Decay, and I think it's the all-nighter one. Yeah, it's the all-nighter one. I used to use the Mario Badescu one that was like $7, which is like really good too. You can use that, but it just gave me a little bit more of a dewy look, and I'm currently like doing a more matte or like satin kind of look right now. So I'm not using that, but I'm gonna use this to set my face. So the other product that I have that's more on the expensive side as well is this Tarte mascara. I think this is the Lights Camera Splashes one, so it's the waterproof one. The one that I really like that's pretty affordable is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash in the color Carbon Black. I really like that one. It makes my eyelashes look so long and have so much volume. I just ran out of it, so I'm using this one currently, but I really like that one for an affordable one. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is like a very simple back to school kind of look, and this is like the same techniques that I was using when I was doing my makeup in high school and still now when I'm in college. And this is definitely a look that I'm going to be doing while I go to class this semester. You know what, probably not, because I'm going to be wearing a mask and no one's going to see my face. You can always change like the lip, like it can always be like a matte lip, just a lip pencil, or just chapstick if that's all you want. But yeah, I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. Please wear your masks if you're going to class, and we all need to come together as a community to stop this spread. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.